Today we will read lesson number 4. This lesson is about a poem, Night. Students, you daily watch how day changes into night, how night comes. What are the signs of night? Today in this poem we will read all about this. This poem is written by an English poet, William Blake. In this poem, he has beautifully describes the signs of night, how night comes, and what happens in the night. So we start reading this poem. We will read this poem with beautiful images of night. These images will give you an appropriate idea of night. So start reading. The sun descending in the west. The evening star does shine. The birds are silent in their nest. And I must seek for mine. The moon, like a flower in heaven's high bower, with silent delight, sits and smiles on the night. Now we will read this poem with Urdu translation and words meanings. The sun descending in the west. Descending, उतर रहा. सूरज मगरिब में उतर रहा है. The evening star does shine. शाम का सितारा चमकता है. The birds are silent in their nest. परिंदे अपने घोंसलों में खामोश हैं. And I must seek for mine. और मुझे अपना ठिकाना तलाश करना चाहिए. The moon, like a flower. चाँद एक फूल की मानित. In heaven's high bower. Heavens, जन्नत या आसमानी. बोवर, दरख्तों के झुंड का खुशगवार साया. बुलंद आसमानी दरख्तों के झुंड के खुशगवार साए में. With silent delight. Delight, मुसर्रत. खामोश मुसर्रत के साथ. Sits and smiles on the night. बैठता है और रात पर मुस्कुराता है. Now see this question. What does the moon look at night? Find the answer of this question by reading this poem. Now see glossary words. Bower, private room. Delight, something or someone that gives great pleasure. Descending, moving or coming down or downwards. Heaven, paradise. Nest, a structure built by birds. Seek, look for someone or something. Shine, be bright, give out lights. Silent, free from noise. Now see the answer of the question. The moon looks like a flower. Now see the vocabulary. Look up the meaning of these words in the dictionary and use these words in sentences of your own. So there are words given below. In a dictionary, the words are given alphabetically and you can easily find the meanings of these words. You can also get help from these. There are given meanings and their sentences also. So look first. Descending, its meaning utarna, and sentence is he is descending from the mountain. Seek, तलाश करना. The birds seek their nests at night. Bower, दरख्तों के झुंड का खुशगवार साया. He is sitting under the bower of a tree. Delight, खुशी. I feel delight due to prayer. Nest, घोंसला. The birds seek their nest at night. Now see short question answer for comprehension. Question number 1 is, what is this poem about? Answer is, this poem is about night. Question number 2, when do the stars shine? Answer is, the stars shine at night. Question number 3, what does the night bring for us? Answer is, the night brings peace and quiet for us. Question number 4, what makes the moon happy? Answer is, the heaven's high bow makes the moon happy. Question number 5, why are the birds silent in their nest? Answer is, the birds are silent in their nest because the night has fallen and they are sleeping. Homework.